What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I will be showing you how to make your bicycle sound like a motorcycle. You ready? So the only thing you'll need is a bike, of course, and a water bottle, an empty water bottle. So the first thing you're gonna do with the water bottle, well, let me try to find a place to set you up, guys. So the first thing you do with the water bottle, is take the water bottle, and you're gonna. Sorry, my Alexa just went off. You're gonna push it down. You're gonna push it down so that it's completely flat. You can step on it if you want. That's fine. It's not gonna destroy it, and you're gonna make it to where it's at least a little bit flat. You don't need the cap, really. Then. Oh, no. Okay, guys, are you good? You good, bro? You good? Okay. Next, you're going to come over here, go to your bike, and then you see right here, right in between here. Okay, let me show you guys a good place to set it up. See, right, I can't really get it on camera. I'll get over here and show you. See this area right here? This little area down here? This little area down here where you can stick stuff in. It looks very tiny. You're gonna take your water bottle. Sorry, my finger keeps covering up the. You don't want to place it anywhere near that thing or that. This thing right here. This thing right here. This. Because that's your brake. So if you put it right here and you brake, it'll be pretty hard to break it. It might mess up your brake. So the only place you really want to put it is right here. So I'll see you guys when I put it in this slot. And another tip if your water bottle's too big, if there's another tip, and it won't fit in there, you need to squeeze it up like this. Squeeze it like that a little bit. And then I'll see you guys when I get it in. So there you guys have it. I just put it in. I'll show you guys. There it is in the water bottle right there. So now I'm going to show you a preview of what it sounds like. It sounds so sick. So I'm going to find a place where I can take you, and then we're going to find. So here we go, guys. Let me get on my bike. You guys ready? Now I'll give you guys, I'm going to grab it and then ride with the camera in my hand. This might be a little bit risky, but who cares? So let me take you guys, let me try to fix the water bottle a little bit so it sounds more realistic. Because sometimes it doesn't sound that realistic, which is bad. But now I'm going to hold you guys, okay, now I'm going to hold you guys in my hand while I do it. So you guys can get a full preview. It's also really annoying sometimes, but here we go. That's my bike, not a motorcycle. Oh, there's a car. Hear that? That's the sound of my bike with a water bottle in it. So I found this. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and subscribe. And tell me if this worked for you down in the comments. Share this my channel to all your friends. And I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.